Hello everyone, you are listening to Dr. Huma Ibrar. In today's video, we are going to talk about something very important for anyone planning to travel to Gulf countries, the WAFID medical system. In this video, I'll explain what WAFID is, why it is required, how you can book your WAFID medical appointment online step by step, the complete fee structure, online fee plus medical center fee, how to solve the invalid Captcha payment issue that many applicants face. So make sure you watch this video till the end because many applicants face rejection or unnecessary delays just because of small mistakes. Now, what is WAFID and why is it required? WAFID is the official online medical screening system approved by Gulf Health Council. Previously, this system was known as Gamca, but now it has been updated and replaced by WAFID. This system ensures that people traveling to Gulf countries meet the required health standards before entering the Gulf country. Who needs WAFID Medical? You need to complete the WAFID medical test if you are going to a Gulf country for a job, you are applying for family visa, you are renewing or changing your Iqama category. So before traveling, completing this medical screening is mandatory. Now let's talk about the WAFID online appointment process. How to book your medical appointment online. The process is very simple, but before this, I will share the required documents for this. So many people think a lot of documents are required, but actually you only need your valid passport, visa number, and basic personal details. That's all. Okay, in your browser, you have to click WAFID. Click on WAFID and click on the first one, wafid.com. So here is the WAFID website. You have to click on this one, book an appointment and medical examination. So here we get the appointment information and you have to fill this form. Select your country, city, country you are traveling to, Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, any Gulf country, your first name, last name, date of birth, that is mentioned in your CNIC. Nationality, gender, marital status, passport number, confirm passport, passport issue date, visa type, expiry and issue place, and then visa type, your email, active email address, active phone number, as you will get your OTP there, and then select the purpose or occupation. We'll select the other. Okay, done. Position applied for. Okay, now confirm that information. Click on save and continue. So here is the payment detail. You have to pay online via your Master or Visa card. After successfully paying the fee, you will receive the message in your given contact number. So after booking successfully, you will get this medical test registration confirmation. So the online booking fee is around 10 to 15 US dollars, which is approximately 2800 to 4000 PKR, and it covers appointment booking and system processing. Medical center fee: when you visit the medical center, you will pay the actual medical test fee, which is usually 18,000 to 25,000. This amount may vary slightly depending on the city and medical center. So let's talk about the total estimated cost. So the total estimated cost of WAFID Medical is approximately Pakistani 22,000 to 30,000. Now, what tests are done in WAFID Medical? At the medical center, the following tests are usually performed: blood test, urine test, chest x-ray, blood pressure check, general physical examination. These tests ensure that the applicant doesn't have any infectious or serious medical condition. Now, let's talk about important tips. Before going for your medical test, remember these important tips. Always choose WAFID approved medical centers only. Do not visit without any appointment. Always carry your original passport. Never hide any medical history. These small things can save you from delays or rejection. Now let's talk about the most important part, WAFID payment issue, invalid Captcha solution. Sometimes when you try to submit the form on the WAFID website, you get an error repeatedly. Invalid Captcha. Even when all the details are entered correctly, this issue can happen on both mobile phones and laptops. But don't worry, I'll share a simple hack to fix this problem. Now let's talk about the solution. Open the WAFID website in incognito mode or private mode in your browser. Also make sure you are using your mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Then fill the form again and submit it. Simply you have to open the WAFID website in incognito mode and with your mobile data, not with Wi-Fi. Then fill the form again and submit it. In most cases, this method solves the Captcha error and your appointment can be booked successfully. If you try this method, please share in the comment section whether it worked for you or not, so it can help other applicants as well. Final message: if you are still confused, busy, or facing errors while booking the appointment, we also provide a paid WAFID appointment booking services. If this video helped you, please like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for the latest visa and medical updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Dr. Huma Ibrar signing off.